Good morning children. Today we are going to start new lesson, the first generation. So here in this lesson mainly we learned about the relationship between the members of three generation and also learned about the simple family tree and similarities in physical and heredity, and also relationship between the child and the mother. Okay, and also mother mother needs of the child such as love, nurture, protection and food, so etc. So all these things we discussed here in this class, and also how the one person of family members he resembles his forefathers so resembles to other members. So what are the features are there in the members? Okay, so all these things we discussed here. So now let us discuss one by one. Okay, here first the first generation. So okay, so after studying this lesson, okay, we learned about the r. So here in this lesson mainly we are going to discussing about the relationship between the members of three generations of a family. Okay, and draw a simple family tree. Okay, so next recognize the similarities in physical as well as heredity features among the family members, and understand the relationship of child and the mother. I will once again repeat it. So we are going to discussing about the know the relationship between the members of three generations of a family. Okay, next draw a simple family tree. So next recognize the similarities in physical and heredity features among the family members. Okay, so recognize the similarities in physical and heredity features among the family members, and also understand the relationship of child and mother. Okay, okay, here is name Raju and Deepa. So okay, Raju and Deepa are the children. Raju and Deepa came to their grandparents house during the summer vacations. Yeah, so Raju and Deepa are came to their grandparents house so during the summer vacation. Okay, here Raju, Deepa and their mother and grandmother went to the neighboring village to attend the naming ceremony. So many people are there. Many people had gathered there. So gathered means joining. So Deepa saw a small baby in the cradle. Okay. So I will also repeat it. Raju and Deepa are the children. So here Raju and Deepa came to their grandparents' house during which time? During summer vacation. Raju, Deepa and also their mother and grandmother so went to the neighboring village. So why they are went? To attend a naming ceremony. Okay, so at there many people had gathered there. Many people had so gathered there, and Deepa saw a small baby in the cradle. So then Deepa suddenly asked question to her mother. Okay, Deepa, mother, whose baby is this? Deepa asked question to her mother. Mother, whose baby is this? So then mother so give answer to Deepa's questions. Her mother replied to so Deepa. Okay, Deepa. So it is the baby of Radha and Rajiv. Okay, and you you two used to sleep in the cradle like so this when you were a baby. Okay, so Deepa's mother said to Deepa, so Deepa, it is the baby of Radha and Rajiv. So you also used to sleep in the cradle like this when you are a baby. Okay, so this is in a cradle. In that a baby is there. So this baby This baby is a baby of Radha and Rajiv. Okay. So, okay, the baby in the cradle started crying. Okay, the baby in the cradle started crying. So then the baby's mother Radha took the baby into her bosom and consoled it by singing a lullaby. Okay. So next here one poem is there. So ಅಳುವ ಕಂದನ ತುಟಿಯು ಅವಳಾದ ಕುಡಿಯಾಂಗ ಕುಡಿಯುಬ್ಬು ಬೇವಿನ ನಸಳಾಂಗ ಸ ಕಣ್ಣೋಟ ಶಿವನ ಕೈಯಲಗು ಒಳೆದ ಅಂಗ. So I will once again repeat it. ಅಳುವ ಕಂದನ ತುಟಿಯು ಅವಳಾದ ಕುಡಿಯಾಂಗ ಕುಡಿಯುಬ್ಬು ಬೇವಿನ ಹೆಸಳಾಂಗ ಕಣ್ಣೋಟ ಶಿವನ ಕೈಯಲಗು ಒಳೆದ ಅಂಗ. Okay. So this poem is said by Radha. Okay, the summary of this poem: a crying child's lips look like a perla, so its tender brows appears like petals of a neem flower. Its tender brows appears like a petals of neem flower. Its tear-filled eyes flash like sharp edges of Lord Shiva's sword. Okay, its tear-filled eyes flash like sharp edges of Lord Shiva's sword. Okay, so listening to the song, the baby stopped crying. Okay, so I will once again repeat it. The baby in the cradle started crying. So then the baby's mother Radha took the baby into her bosom and consoled it by singing a lullaby. Okay. So next here poem is there. So ಅಳುವ ಕಂದನ ತುಟಿಯು ಅವಳಾದ ಕುಡಿಯಾಂಗ ಕುಡಿಯುಬ್ಬು ಬೇವಿನ ಸೆಳಾಂಗ ಕಣ್ಣೋಟ ಶಿವನ ಕೈಯಲಗು ಒಳೆದಾಂಗ. Okay. Here a crying child lips looks like a perla. Its tender brows appears like petals of a neem flower. Its tearful eyes flashed like sharp edges of Lord Shiva's sword. So listening to the song, the baby stopped crying. So in next class we are going to discuss more things. Thank you.